Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to show you some solutions of this exercise 2.2. So far I have not taken any exercise, but I was thinking that you will be managing the exercises. So far we are getting some easy type of questions. So now also these are easy questions only, but I just would like to encourage you by solving some of the questions. Okay, students, if you have got any doubt, you just email me. Okay, I will just explain to you in our videos only. I will explain to you. You should not think that I will not be able. I will not give the solutions. I will be giving you the solutions, but some of the exercises are very easy if you go through. That's why I have thought that you will understand. So I have not solved, but obviously I will be clearing your doubts. Okay, students, thank you. So go through this exercise 2.2, question number 1. Given here, let a be 1 to 14 natural numbers, 1 to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by choosing like this: R equal to x comma y, so that 3x minus y equal to 0, where x comma y belongs to A. So write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so this is the question. Here x comma y, x and y will come from here only, so that 3 times of x minus y is equal to 0. Suppose I take x equal to, just you see, if I take here 1, then if I take here 1, it will be 3 into 1. Suppose I select for x 1, no, from here. So 3 into 1 minus y equal to 0. By solving this, what shall I get? Y equal to 3. Yes, 1 3 is a pair, so I can take here 1 3. It means it like this: 3x minus y equal to 0. So here which are the numbers you can take here? You can take from 1 to 14. Suppose you take here 1, 3 into 1 minus y is equal to, only for x you take, y automatically it will come out. So for x you are selecting 1, so that will be equal to, y will be equal to 3. If you take 2, 3 into 2 minus y is equal to 0, then y will be equal to 6. If you take 3, 3 into 3 in the same equation, minus y is equal to 0, so then y is equal to 9. If we take 4, 3 into 4 minus y is equal to 0, so y is equal to 12. If we take 5, just you see, 3 into 5, 5 is here because 3, 4, 5, that way it is there. 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 14. Will you get, is equal to 0. Y is equal to 15 you will get. Is this 15 here in this set A? Then this 15 is not there. That means this pair is not possible. It means 5, 15 is not there. So that means in our relation 5, 15 will not come. Is it understood, student? So then what will be the, which are the pairs? 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. Means these results must be here only. Means if you take 1, 3 is coming out. So 3 is there. Then if you take 2, it's 2 is there. Then the result is 6. It is there because 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Then if you take 3, the result is 9. Yes, 9 is there because 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you take 4, then the result is 12. It is there because 12, 13, 14. So that means for each input, the output also should belong to this set A. Then only that is in the relation R. So now what are the pairs that we will get for R? So R is equal to, therefore R is equal to, we can write like this in roster form, because there are two methods. One is set builder method, one is roster form. In set builder form it is given. Now in roster form we can write. What are the pairs? 1, 3, then 2, 6, then 3, 9 in curly brackets, then 4, 12. 4, 12. So this is the whole thing. So you are asked, write down its domain, codomain and range. Now, yesterday I told you in that video that domain is the set of first elements of the ordered pairs. So domain is here. What is the domain then? Domain is equal to, in curly bracket you write, because you are writing as a set, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then the range is the set of all the elements, second elements, no, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then codomain. Codomain will be what? Because in codomain all these ordered pairs will be there, which will be formed by 1 to 14. So in codomain 1 to 14 will be there. So then codomain is, you can say the whole set A itself is codomain. No, you can say 1 2 3 4 dot 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 14 codomain. Got the idea, students? So students, let us take question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N. N is the set of natural numbers by R x comma y, so that y equal to x plus 5 and x is a natural number less than 4 and xy both are natural numbers. So the sum y must be equal to x plus 5. So x will be less than 4, means less than 4 means 1 2 3. Okay students, write down the domain and range. Depict this relationship using the roster form. So I have taken note of the conditions given, x y comma x natural numbers and x is less than 4. So less than 4 natural numbers are, that is x can take which are the values 1 2 and 3 because less than 4. Then using those 1 2 3 here, what shall we get? If x is 1, y will be equal to 1 plus 5 6. So for x equal to 1, y will be equal to 6. Y will be 6. For x equal to 2 here, y will be equal to 7 because 2 plus 5. For x equal to 3, y equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, no? Now you have to write in roster form. Therefore R in roster form, you have to write the pairs 1 comma 6, then 2 comma 7, then 3 comma 8. Over. Next is write the domain of R. Domain of R. So the domain of R is equal to first elements are 1 2 3. Domain of R is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Range is the set of second elements. Range of R is equal to the second elements 3 6 7 8. Okay, now if you are asked here codomain also you can say codomain will be what? The set of natural numbers, because all these xy will be from natural numbers only. So the codomain is the whole set natural number. It is not asked, thus I am saying codomain of R is the set of natural number. Set of natural number. Okay. Question number 3 you see, students. So here we are learning how to solve the questions. A is given 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5. B is 4 6 9. Define a relation R from A to B so that x comma y, the difference of x and y is odd number. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. So here you see, students, we have to take this x comma y in such a way that their difference is an odd number. The difference of x and y should be odd number. X comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and x minus y, this difference should be an odd number. I have put this absolute value sign because x minus y may be negative also, but I want to see only odd number comes out or not. Okay, now see, suppose I take here, you know, odd number minus even number. Any odd number from that, if you subtract even number, or even number minus odd number is what? Just you check, 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3, that is odd number. Then if you take 2 minus 4, even number minus even number, what will be the result? Or odd number minus odd number, what is the result of odd number minus odd number? As you see, 3 minus 6, 3 odd number, 5 minus 9 even number. Thus you see, odd number minus even number is all the time odd number, but even number minus even number is even number. but odd number minus even number, it can be again odd number. Okay, sometimes and sometimes not. That's why we have to check like this. 1 minus 4 is 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, odd number. So we can take this 1 comma 4 here. 1 with 4 we can take because their difference is odd. 1 minus 6 is 5. We can take that also. 1 minus 6 means 1 comma 6. We can take 1 minus 9. No, 1 minus 9 is, what is that? Even number, because 1 minus 9 is 8. 8 is even number. Now check which 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is even number. 2 minus 6 is even number. 2 minus 9, 7. 7 is odd number. We can take 2 and 9. 2 comma 9. Next pair by 3. 3 minus 4, 1. Minus 1 is odd number. So 3 with 4 you can take. Next 3 minus 6, odd number, because minus 3 is odd number. So 3 and 6 you can take. Next we can take 3 which 9 can we take? 3 minus 9 is 6. 6 is even number, you cannot take. Then by 5 you try. 5 which 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, odd number. So we can take 5 comma 4. Next is 5 minus 6 is 1. There also we can take minus 1, odd number. 5 and 6. Then 5 minus 9 is even number, because 5 minus 9 is minus 4, even number. So that is over. So you see here 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, all these have come, because the difference of these pairs are odd numbers. Their difference must be odd number. So you have to check each one of these. Okay, 1 with 4, 1 with 6, 1 with 9. Next 2 with 4, 2 with 6, like that. So then what is the domain of R? Domain of R, it will be, domain of R is here 1. You get 1. No need of writing twice, because one element only once. Okay, 1, then 2, first elements 3, 3 no need, again 5. This is domain. Then range of R, range of R is equal to second elements 4, 6, 9. 4 no need, again 6, 9 no need, 4, 6 no need. So 4, 6, 9. This is the range of, means same, A and B are the, A is domain and B is range. Okay students, so you are asked only to write R in roster form. So we have written R in roster form. This is our answer.